If you want to divide a board into several equal lengths, it can be frustrating when you're dealing with 64ths and so forth, and the math can be error prone. I'll show you how to way to do that super fast with no math. It's coming up. Okay, let's say we want to divide this board into 7 equal parts. It's as simple as rotating the ruler till you have 7 right on the edge, and you just mark it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Another example, say you want this to be in 5 equal parts. Again, just rotate the ruler until you have 5 at the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.